So that's the Rajya Sabha adjourned for the day, and that after, very interestingly, after the Defence Minister's statement, there were questions, there were views also taken by the opposition netas, especially that from the Congress party. I want to go directly now to the ground zero, to Ladakh, because our senior executive editor Gaurav Sawant is joining us live from that. Gaurav, from the Parliament to ground zero where you are, you've been tracking the real situation which is still grim, which is still volatile. This statement today and the reactions from the Congress netas, all of them asking for old established norm of the status quo ante to be clarified, to be established, but also stating we stand with our forces, we stand for India's sovereignty today.
You know, that's a very interesting point that both Anand Sharma and A.K. Antony as former defence minister raised, that will India be permitted to patrol till our traditional patrolling points, because that is what, as Rajnath Singh clarified, is this entire debate all about. So what's happening on ground zero? China is preventing India from patrolling till our traditional patrolling points, which is between finger 4 and finger 8 at Pangong Tso, at Galwan, at Depsang, patrol point 12, 13 and 14. So these are some of the issues that remain. Also, that big issue that remains is at Gogra, all along that part of the line of actual control. Now the face-off continues, and this is what the defence minister was talking about. We have massed troops along the line of actual control. The situation, Pooja, remains extremely fluid at the line of control only because of this reason, that China thought it could forcibly prevent our soldiers from patrolling till those traditional patrolling points, and the army would have none of it. 20 of our braves have made the supreme sacrifice of their lives when they were stopped from going up to the traditional patrolling point. And incidentally, this is one aspect that majority in our country are not even aware of. The patrolling point is short of the LAC at multiple locations. So we are not even going up to our LAC. We are only going up to the patrolling points. Now there appears to be some kind of a change with soldiers insisting that they will patrol up to the LAC, and that is why this massive face-off with China that continues on ground zero, Pooja.
Gaurav, thank you very much for putting it in perspective, but I request you to stay on with me as well, because we want to consistently analyze what the Defence Minister has said, and importantly, what precisely are the key